Tanong ka muna ng abogado.
Okay lang po. Kayang-kaya kong magtanong sa abogado. Sige,
tanong ka
itanong
muna
ko
ngayon
po.
before we proceed.
Resource person not point his finger at a member of the committee.
Kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, pagdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to a normal
Trying
level.
to pin me down on it.
Mr. Chair, you are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot.
October.
You have to pin
no,
me
Mr.
down
Chair.
lower.
I'm not trying to pin you
Law
down
police.
on air.
Exchanges are no longer productive.
Mr.
The hearing
Chair.
is
Do not pin me
suspended.
down on semantic.
Sabi nyo rin po kanina, you take full legal responsibility for the consequences of the drug war.
Yes.
Kanina rin, opo,
Yes.
kanina rin sabi nyo, maraming mali.
Walang maniwala na abogado sa akin yan. That
Hindi po
would be
sir,
long shot.
hindi po abogado, nandito pa lang tayo
I
sa
was
Senado.
referring
sa Korte.
to the policy na ginawa ko para sa mga pulis.
Yes, sir.
Sabi
At
ko,
nagbunga
"Pagkat
yung
I full
polisiya."
take full responsibility
Yes,
for
and
that."
what about yung bungas?
Before you rumble on the community,
No, I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong
hindi,
ko.
specific ang law. Guilt is personal. Tanong ka muna ng abogado.
Okay lang po. Kayang-kaya kong magtanong sa abogado. Sige,
tanong ka
itanong
muna
ko
ngayon
po.
before we proceed. Guilt is personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
Hindi
So,
mo pwedeng ipasa sa iba yan. Hindi mo nakuha yung yung policy ng presidente.
nakuha ko po.
I take full responsibility yung sinabi ko na war on drugs.
You said,
Pero
sir,
kung
you can hold me
magpasok ka
responsible
ng
for any death.
specific crime,
Yes, sir. You spoke
hindi
about
pwede yan.
about
At
specific
saka,
crimes.
kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, magdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Well, Mr.
Trying to
Level,
pin me down on
Mr. Chair, you are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot.
October.
You have to pin
no,
me
Mr.
down
Chair.
lower.
I'm not trying to pin
sa
you
law
down
police.
on
The
air.
exchanges are no longer productive.
Mr.
The hearing
Chair.
is
Do not pin me
suspended.
down on semantics.
Po. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganun lang siguro kasi excited lang ako. First time ako naka-appear ng Senate. But walang personalan yan. It has nothing to do with you, pati yung karakter ko. Yung boses ko lang kasi excited. But if we are offended by the demeanor, then mag-change gear ako. I'll try to do it with moderation.
Salamat.
Sandali, ma'am.
Mr.
Ganito,
Chair.
and I'm addressing lahat kayo. Taga-probinsya po ako. Hindi ninyo pwede akong masumo na paulit-ulit. Pag ginawa ninyo yan, isnabin ko kayo. Wala akong pera. I am not that rich na mag-travel dito sa aeroplano. Mahal yan. I am... nabubuhay ako sa retirement pay ko. So, pati itong pamasahe ko, retirement pay ko yan. Wala akong negosyo ever since. Gobyerno lang ako. I have been an employee of government ever since. Kaya, I do not have my public life is open to everybody. So, magastos masyado, ma'am. Kaya, kung maari lang, tapusin natin ito hanggang bukas. Huwag na tayong umalis dito.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Salamat kayo, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Chair.
Tapusin talaga natin ito. Tapusin natin ito dito ngayon. Huwag tayong umalis dito hanggang umaga. Umabot man tayo hanggang umaga bukas. Huwag tayong umalis dito. Tapusin natin dito.